Okay, we've taken our 5 minutes. I turned it off. I'm going to turn it back on. And I'm going to show you the length of time and what it's going to take to be able to use your UVC Steril-Aire wand that you have that's arrived in the mail for you. And again, this is just going to come standard UPS drop ship to your house or your business, and we will and I'll show you in a minute what was in the box. It wasn't very much. The thing that you really need to know on the Steril-Aire wand, one of the things I get a question about a lot is it cordless? It's not. It needs a lot of power to do the job and do it effectively, right? So it does have a rather short cord. You could use an extension cord. It's 5 pounds. It's not that heavy. I'm not struggling with it myself, but you will want to give yourself time to be able to dwell over the area. And again, you want to stay close as we're doing here. And I wish I'm doing this on my own while I'm on the road, so I really can't do an up close for you, but I think you get the idea. The big thing about UVC is that it needs to be utilized to disinfect hard surfaces. So we're going to be disinfecting this desk area, my computer, you might want to set an alarm on your phone. It doesn't have an indicator telling you you've been over an area for a certain amount of time. So you'll want to definitely come up with a system that works best for you. And for those of you that are clocking me, I might be off by a couple seconds, but again, my hands are full. I'm trying to show you basically what this looks like and how we would use it on a hard surface. So we know that we want to kill bacteria, mold, and virus on things that other people use, right? So we want to make sure that we clean those high touch areas. UVC light doesn't bend, so it's only going to disinfect what it shines on, okay? So be very careful that you don't get excited and turn your wand because you want to go around something. Turn your wand off, put the item upside down, and then proceed to decontaminate it. Fair enough? Now there are ways in the case where you have sensitive settings or businesses where you'd like to be able to have wipe samples done to make sure that you are properly disinfecting areas, and we can help you with that using a certified lab process. So you see, it's really easy. I mean, it's not that complicated. Like I said, these are going to become such a household item that you'll have one like having a vacuum cleaner. I'm going to turn it off for a minute because I'm trying to do two things at once and I don't want to shine the UVC light in my face. But I wanted to take this opportunity to be able to talk for a minute about, since I'm in a hotel room, and for those of you that either own hotels or maybe you have a PTAC unit like this, or maybe you have a student that's going off to college, the Steril-Aire UVC light bulbs can be installed permanently inside PTAC units, giving you indoor air quality disinfection, which is key. It'd be fantastic. Be able to have your air being cleaned and be able to clean the high touch areas is ideal. And again, cleaning mold, virus, and bacteria. So, great example right there. Now, I wouldn't use the Steril-Aire wand on the drapes. I'm not touching them. I can use a cloth to wipe down the cord or the item here if I need to. So again, we want to be using the UVC in our home and in our business on hard surfaces. You think about the boardroom, the break room, and the bathroom, and that's really key. So here's also a desk setting, the PTAC unit, doorknobs, those types of things. Chairs that have a smooth surface, not fabric, so leather or vinyl. And that's what you want to focus on. I will say that I'm in a hotel room, and one of the things that we all are concerned with is disinfecting disinfecting the remote control. So we'll go ahead and show you that. So again, I'm going to stay 2 inches away. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000. Now don't mock me. I definitely think there's a better way to do this, but since I am having to use my hands to record this. Now, another thing that we're seeing hotels using, Marriott for one in particular, they're using UVC to disinfect any of the keyless entry cards and other items. And so UVC is really, really, really very critical for the hospitality industry because they need to turn rooms safely and they need to be able to disinfect them and be able to give everyone peace of mind that they're using the state-of-the-art equipment to keep their hotels clean. So there we are. So again, as you can see, this is a simple application. A simple shipping, that's all that came in was the box, and a very affordable and practical way to help you with disinfection and providing the safety for your family, your friends, and your coworkers and your customers. We see these tools being utilized in libraries, in hotels, as I mentioned, in dorm rooms, restaurants, offices, homes, as well as industrial settings. There's a lot of different equipment out there that can help whatever the application is. And every week we talk about it on our weekly webinar series where we're talking about COVID-19 and other life safety topics. So thanks for your time today. I hope that helped you better understand what a Steril-Aire wand looks like and how you might use it. And we look forward to talking to you very soon. And send us in your questions and give us a call. Be safe out there, everyone. Thank you.